Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix YouTube Kids buffering issues. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your YouTube Kids and make sure you're logged in. Now tap on the gear icon on the top right corner. If you have set up parental security, then you will have to do the math to unlock it. Now your settings is opened. Open your backgrounds and download options. Here, tap on the download quality option. Now choose the medium quality for faster loading and decreased buffering. This should fix your buffering to some extent because this also applies your videos at the resolution by default. Now one other thing you can do is to go back to your home screen, tap and hold your YouTube Kids app and tap on More Info. Open the storage option. Now tap on Clear Cache and then check your YouTube Kids if that worked. If it didn't, come back, select the clear storage and then select delete. One last thing you can do is to go to your Play Store and search for YouTube Kids and make sure it's updated. It's that simple. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.